Welcome back, Beowulf Nation. I am Beowulf, back at it with another video. I got my little brother, Real Gucci Gavin, with me. He's riding my Sea-Doo RXP-X 300. I'm in the Yamaha Gp1800R 2019. And we're gonna get out on the Waccamaw River. I haven't been out here for like a couple of weeks. Last time I was out here, I did like a little incident with an alligator. I wasn't filming when it happened, so I've been kind of avoiding coming out here just because there's been a lot of gators. So we're gonna start jet down the Waccamaw River and see what we see. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give me a follow too on Instagram. It's IM_Beowulf. Also too, make sure if you're new, you haven't heard about the merch I got out, check it out, IamBeowulf.com. Also in there I have a rides and gear section. It shows like all the gear and stuff I use. So if you're looking to figure out where to purchase it and whatnot, it's all on there and what I use. So enough talking, let's get the video going. Yo bro, you ready to go? All right. Trim up. No, so they repaired the 501 Business Highway. This thing needs some construction. It's like in stealth mode.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Those shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top from the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Non-human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Jordan number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep it record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't.
Alright, he's trying a first time thing. I'm gonna be back at a safe distance. Oh no, don't. You gotta hold it, man. Well, you hold it by the, not at the top, because it, how do you think you're gonna land it? It's never gonna land on the back of the deck. You'll have to grab it. Oh, I gotta get close for this. You did it, man! Good job! Now the biggest hard thing is landing it. The hard thing's gonna be trying to grab it coming down. Now I want a Phantom 4. I really need to get a waterproof drone. Or you just like throw in a wire and whew.
For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want to act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to make no time to waste. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence, I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, fuck a tax. That's a joke, tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, we get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, whoa, whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me, gon'
So the challenging thing. No, you'll have to hit it where the landing button and it'll shut off. You just gotta hold it.
Right after I grab it?
Yeah. What? Oh, don't do it before, because it'll just land in the water. Just grab it and it'll shut off. What do you want to come down low enough where you you can reach it and then hold on to it, and then with the other hand, click it to like where it's, I think it's landing. Oh man. Actually, I've never done that, so I think it's where you put it in the landing. You know when you swipe to land it?
I know.
All right. Safety glasses, check. I don't think you're gonna reach it from there. Do you gotta move a little bit faster? It's way far away from you.
What?
It's far away from you. Oh my God. Dude. There, you got it, dude.
Ah! Woo! We did it! Ah! Oh shit, my phone was put in the water. Dude, that shit was like crazy.
Yeah.
Dude, that thing was like, like right when I was trying to press a button, it exited out of the app. So I'm like, I pressed the return to home button.
He did it.